Alright, today I gotta replace my Moen's shower valve. My faucet's leaking, so I'm gonna replace this today. And I got my tool. I'm just going through everything, making sure I have it here, so when I start taking things apart, I don't have to stop what I'm doing and go looking for it. So I got my Allen wrench, and I'm replacing my clip because mine's bent, and every time I try to take it out I struggle with it. I got a screwdriver, and I need to get some needle nose and turn the water off, and we'll take the valve out and replace it. Alright, I'm gonna start taking this off. I know there's a bigger issue going on with this, but the thing is, I cannot find a plumber to come out here because we live so far to come and fix it. And I have the water off and it started leaking already, so I know there's a bigger issue. Alright, and I have a screen right there so I don't drop anything down the drain. Because that's never happened before, right? See how it's leaking? It shouldn't be leaking like that. I have the water off. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm not a plumber. I just know I gotta keep changing these out, and I'm not paying somebody to come out here for mileage to do it. The guy that I did have coming out here, all he tells me is he don't know. Oh, and he told me, if you call Moen's and let them know that you're the original owner of the house, they'll send you these valves out for free. I'm like, wow, thank you. It's not what I want. I want you to fix the problem. But that's okay, because I could do it my darn self. Okay, now we just gotta put this plug in and we're done. That easy. Alright, that's it. That's how easy it is. Now I'm just going to put all the pieces. So I did buy a new valve. I mean, not valve. that is the new valve. But I did buy a new clip for this because this one was bent, but this one's too short. The one that I have in here is a lot longer, but last time I took it out, I just smashed it with the hammer and fixed it. But that's how easy it is. If I could do it. But I know I have an issue because, like I said, the water's off. And all that water dripping shouldn't have been dripping like that. But I can't find a plumber to come out here, so I just gotta keep changing these out, which is annoying. So I turned the water on to check it. And I had to take this back piece back off. Because when I took the valve out, I twisted the water. So when I took this screw out, when I put the valve, I had turned the water on. So when I put the handle on, it was on. So now I had to take it off and put it in the right position. And then I'll show you if it's leaking. That's why it was leaking. It's not leaking now because it's off. All right, I'm gonna turn the water back on and see if it's leaking. Well, it's not leaking. There you go. And that's how you change a Moen shower valve.